beautiful trade here. I can see here we have banked all this profit until the price hit this profit target. Let me share with you guys how we managed to bank amazing profit on pound yen through intraday. All right, so if you look at the intraday analysis on pound yen, hello traders, I'm back here with my New York session analysis. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how we bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis. All right, so as always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel, or if you want to see all that analysis in real time, most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD, and I will show you the best trade of the day. That all the yen pair we had an amazing profit. Let's dig into the EURUSD. Okay, so if you look at the EURUSD chart, we've been short from this morning, as you can see here in my previous analysis review. So our target nicely hit at this level. Let me share with you at the New York session analysis, that was a beautiful short trade, even though the news wasn't good for the dollar. But as said to my trader, we're going to trade what we see and not what we think. All right, so after this analysis this morning, banking amazing profit. We had this pattern, price broken and retest, bank amazing profit. And afterwards at the New York session, as explained to my trader, look for another pullback around this level, which you can see here, price develop pullback. And as soon as the price hit to the support level, bank amazing profit. After banking profit, as you can see here, the price also reversed at this level. So I updated that analysis because my whole job is to help my traders not to miss that opportunity. When the price came back this level and they was expecting, news was good, they were expecting long, I said, guys, we're going to trade what we see. So the point of interest was this level and this level, which you can see here, price respected, which I updated that analysis instantly. That's what exactly what we do. We keep an eye the market. As soon as the markets develop another pattern, instantly broadcasted, just to make sure the trader don't miss that opportunity. So technically, when the trader asked me, I think it's gonna go up, so I said, look, this is the way to trade. Trade what you see and not what you think. We had a beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit to the support level in 4 hours. That's what I explained my traders, time to enjoy some profit. So we had an amazing short trade at the New York session, bank amazing profit. Pound dollar. All right, so if you look at the cable, this morning we had a short trade here and we also had a long trade here. Let me share with you at the New York session. Let me share with you guys the analysis. So technically, if you look at the technically, we were expecting a short trade here at this level after, because the price came back here. As a guy look for short, we also had a short trade here and we also had a long trade here. Let me share with you the entries, how I made the entries and exit. If you look at the pound dollar at the New York session, that was the beautiful. First of all, we had a long trade here. You can see that's the counter trade, because in London morning I showed you this analysis. So after banking some profit, once the price hit this level at the support level, so we had a counter long trade here. Afterwards another pullback, and after banking this profit, I said to my look for another pullback. Price develop another pullback. As soon as the price develop a double top here, and explain to my trader, look, another breakout trade here, because the price, we were expecting a short trade here at this level. So you can see here the price develop another pattern, and that's what it broadcasted that information. The safest way we had it once the price broken and after the breakout, price retest. So we announce all these trades, not just through analysis, through live audio commentary. So guys, take a short trade here, the target with the previous low, price nicely, banking some profit, news was good, and they said, let's see the market reaction. As you can see here, this was the counter trade. So technically, as explained to my trader, if the price does not break this pullback, so if the price going to break the recent high, you can see here, even this one is broken and retest. So price broken, so again, take and hold that trade as long as the price stay above this level. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. That was an amazing trade. So we had a dollar CAD. We had a long trade here after the news. We had a short trade here. Let me share with you the analysis. That was a pretty straightforward. You can see here, that was a beautiful trade. As you can see here, this was we are long in the morning, and at the New York session, price nicely broken and retest. As soon as the price keep respecting it, I said to guys, tighten your stop loss. Let's wait for the news. And after the news, as you can see, pretty straightforward. You can see it in intraday, price develop a head and shoulder pattern, price broken and retest, and say take a short trade here. Target will be the pretty decent low, and that's why we bank some profit. And let's see, some of the traders still holding. We'll see how that's gonna go. All right, so let me share with you the best trade of the day. We had amazing trades, all the yen pair. We had an amazing trade, all the yen pair. If you look at here, we had a beautiful long trade here. And even in the yen pair, if I show you the yen pair, we had a beautiful that long trade here. As you can see here, all this analysis broadcasted, you can see a beautiful. The best trade I had it, that was the pound yen, guys. You can see such a beautiful trade here. I can see here we have bank all this profit until the price hit this profit target. Let me share with you guys how we managed to bank amazing profit on pound yen through intraday. All right, so if you look at the intraday analysis on pound yen, that was the beautiful trade, guys. We had it. Okay, so if you look at this one, we had this long trade here. After banking this profit, price impulsively reversed and broken all this resistance level. Once the price broke on this previous high, and I said to my trader, look for any pullback, would consider high probability trade. We have one pullback, second pullback. After this banking some profit, when the price reversed, I said, guys, look for another breakout. And that's what exactly happened. You can see here, that was the beautiful breakout. Price broken, like I say, take every pullback. We can see a major reversal, all the yen pair. So we taken this breakout, one pullback and second pullback, bank amazing profit, guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy. As you can see here, how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we analyze entries and exit in intraday, and banking profit every single day. But as I said to you guys, the most interesting part of it, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. If you are struggling in forex trading, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community and let me help you to trade with a live market and bank some good profit and get funded. All right, guys, if you are interested, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.